Welcome to our exciting program where we equip youth with the skills so they can solve the challenge of tomorrow. Our program focuses on the fusion of AI, STEM, and entrepreneurship for a green economy. My name is Yacine Hakmi, and I've been working with World Learning Algeria, implementing STEM education programs actually across the country. My main job is just to make STEM accessible in the country and also train teachers in inclusive teaching.
I'm Zoher Besai. I'm a mentor in this AI Saturday program. So basically, I was teaching the students about Python, machine learning, and deep learning. I completed the teacher training where I learned about universal design for learning. This framework helped to bring engagement factor into lessons. By using gamification, students will not only learn about AI, but also learn how to apply AI concepts via fun games.
I'm Walid Jani, a participant in the AI and Entrepreneurship program. I found this program incredibly practical since I've learned the most essential AI skills to develop my ideas. The entrepreneurship components was tailored to every participant's concept, guiding us through every step, from the idea generation to building business model and finally pitching to investors.
Throughout hands-on experiences and trainings, students are not just learning and understanding the foundation of AI, but also they are developing skills to help them solve real-world problems. And actually, our programs goes beyond technology. So we also train them in entrepreneurship, so they can learn actually to develop and create startups that solve problems are related to at least one of the Sustainable Development Goals. I invite you to join me in the 2024 Education Alliance Symposium so I can tell you more about how we are using this program to inspire youth so they can make a positive impact in their communities. See you there.